Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about the RoadRunner software. RoadRunner is an interesting software uh, under umbrella of the MATLAB. So if you are familiar with the MATLAB software, the one that you usually do some coding, right? So the RoadRunner, they have this product, and then this product is really interesting in terms of creating the road or sidewalks or bike lanes, bus lane, right? So, and everything which is related to the road infrastructures. And so here today I'm going to talk about an introduction about the RoadRunner and navigation in the software, GIS import, how to create the roads on top of elevation and aerial image in RoadRunner, and creating road networks for the interchange and intersection, and how to debug uh, the road that you have created. So as you can see, for example, in RoadRunner, we can create this type of uh, road networks, the bridges, the lanes, parking lot, bus lanes, and everything. So this is the website. So usually universities have the MATLAB license. So if your university or where you are, you have the license for the MATLAB, then you can easily download the RoadRunner. And then you can go to this website and then see more information about the RoadRunner. So one interesting point that I want to mention here is the capability of RoadRunner. So now we are in a certain period of the time that the simulation softwares, the traffic simulation softwares like Vissim or SUMO, they are adopting some formats for creating the roads, right? So what I mean is usually inside the Vissim or inside the SUMO or other softwares, you create the roads, you, for example, add the road decision, traffic signal on top of those softwares. They have this ability, right? But recently, there are some new definitions uh, defined by the Association for Standardizations of Automation and Measuring System, ASAM, which says OpenDRIVE, OpenCRG, and OpenSCENARIO. So OpenDRIVE, it describes road network, geometry of roads, lanes, marking signals. OpenCRG is for the elevations and road surface, and OpenSCENARIO is to give the road decision, traffic signal, volume on the road. So what it means is software like Vissim or SUMO, the traffic simulation softwares, now they have the ability to import, for example, a file format as OpenDrive. So what that means is you create the road network outside of these simulation softwares in RoadRunner, and then RoadRunner has ability to export basically as OpenDrive, and you import those formats into the Vissim. So why do we need to do that? Because first of all, the RoadRunner is so user friendly. You can easily create the roads on the top of the map using considering elevations and gradient, right? Which Vissim doesn't have or SUMO doesn't have, right? This ability. So it gives you more precision or accuracy in terms of creating the road network. Secondly, if you create the network in RoadRunner, you have the 3D version of that network as well. So which Vissim and SUMO cannot have that. So they have just a two-dimensional, right? So these are the two things, and there are other matters for autonomous vehicles analysis, things like that. But I don't want to go through it for now. Yes, this was a brief introduction about the RoadRunner.